Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showcasing you how to enable or disable screen auto rotate on your Samsung Galaxy A17 4G or 5G. So the first step is to swipe down from the quick setting menu, and from here you should see this option labeled portrait. If you have auto rotate on, it should read auto rotate. However, if it's turned off, it should read portrait. So if you want to enable screen auto rotate, just tap on that option. It should switch to the auto rotate. And now, no matter what app you are using, for example, if you are using the Play Store and you put the phone in the landscape mode, the app will automatically adjust to suit the operation you are in. If you are in, say, for example, in YouTube, you want to use it in the landscape mode, just put that into the landscape mode and it should be switching to the landscape mode. If you want to switch back to the portrait mode, you can just put your phone in the portrait mode and it should switch back to that orientation. If you want to disable screen auto rotate, again look for the icon and tap on that. It should be turned off. Once you turn that off, you will notice all the apps you used to be able to use in the landscape mode whenever you turn your phone are no longer available to use in landscape mode. So it means that you have successfully turned off the screen auto rotate. And you guys, that is the simplest method through which you can switch off or on the auto rotate on your Samsung Galaxy A17 4G or 5G. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. If you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching. Peace.